matching the beginning letter sounds to words, I like to start with a group of letters to not overwhelm the child. Here I have A, B, S, M, and T. Make sure the child knows the sound, so review it with them. Ask them if they know what sound A makes, and go through each letter. Then have the child match the objects to the letter. This also is a great time to introduce new vocabulary if they don't know what an object or if you're using a picture is. After the child has matched the appropriate objects to the letters, review it with them. A, apple. B, block. S, snake. M, mouse. T, tiger. You can have multiple objects, you can have multiple pictures, whatever is easiest for you. Here is the grouping of letters that we use in the classroom. When the child has mastered one group, then move on to the next. Another way to teach the beginning sounds is to have the child take the letter and tell them to find 5 things in the house that begins with that letter. If the child does this work independently, make sure they show you the work before they put it away, so you have an idea whether they are understanding it. An extension to this work is to have the child draw the objects they find for their beginning sounds. You could have pre-cut magazine pictures or pre-cut pictures you find from the internet that the children has to correctly match to its beginning letter and glue it. I even like to add pictures of friends and family. I like to have a permanent picture of the letters and their beginning sounds somewhere in the house, so that even when I'm not giving a lesson, the child can observe and self-teach.
Alligator.
Apple.
Apple. Good job.
Bee. Bat. Baby. Cow.
Good job.
Dog.
What about that one?
Daddy.
What about that one?
Mommy.
Good. What about that one?
Nice.
Be creative and have fun.